600 denier, 10% nylon, 10%. Made in the USA or imported. Sharpen your skills with the ultimate folding chipping basket. Converts from a 23-inch diameter frame into a 7-inch diameter frame. Features 3 chipping baskets for the ultimate challenge. Great for left or right-handed golfers. Perfect for any skill level. Top reviews from the United States. I use it as a Nerf Ammo catch target. Okay, so I'm not a golfer, but this target is still useful to me. This opens and collapses like one of those portable pipe chairs. Just pull on the plastic handles and it opens and closes. The innermost white ring is the smallest of the 3 fishing-type nets, the yellow ring is the mesh net behind it, taking up the second largest target area, and the biggest net holds the 2 nets in place via sewn straps. The material it is made of seems like a strong nylon-type material. The outer ring is also held to the pipes with equally strong Velcro ties, so you can wash it if need be. I highly recommend not letting anyone sitting in it, because it does not seem designed to handle the weight of a person, despite being made of tough material and looking like a chair, due to the plastic pieces, tiny joints, and thin pipes. Can it handle golf balls? Probably. But for me, it's a Nerf Dart or ball blaster target, and a good one at that.